Hey everyone, guess what? The popcorn mold has finally arrived and I'm so excited to dive in. Let's make some squishy magic together. First things first, let's coat the mold with Vaseline. Choosing the right tools is key to a smooth process, so make sure to cover every nook and cranny. Now, let's mix it up. I'm going for a fun combo of white and yellow to get that popcorn vibe just right. Stir it like crazy and don't forget to add the bee glue for that perfect texture. Time for the important part, debubbling. We need to make sure those pesky bubbles are gone for a flawless finish. Trust me, it makes all the difference. And now, the grand finale, pouring the glue. It's such a satisfying process, but be careful. It's super easy to spill. Stick around for some squishy fun and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you love popcorn as much as I do, hit that like button and share the joy.